Hello students, you see your math book first chapter is rational number. Rational number chapter. So in the rational numbers, what is rational numbers? Rational numbers, before the rational numbers you have to know what is natural number. So natural number means what? The counting number. Counting number. That is counting number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So natural number means what? The counting number which will start from 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called natural numbers. So next point will come your whole number. Whole number also is a counting number, but it will start from 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then you see the difference between whole number and natural number is, what is the difference? Natural number will start from 1, but whole number will start from 0. Now, next will come your what? Rational number. So rational number means what? A number which are in the form of p by q. P by q means what? P value is your numerator value and q value is your denominator value. Where q not equal to 0. So rational number means what? The number which are in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, and the numbers are called rational numbers. For example 2 by 3 is a rational number, 3 by 4 also is a rational number, 5 by 6 also is a rational number. But if we write 3 by 0, then it will not become a rational number. Why? Because here q denominator value is 0, so it will not become a rational number. Now next point is your positive rational number. So positive rational number means what? Suppose 2 by 3 is a rational number. Minus 3 by minus 4 also is a rational number. So 2 by 3, before 2 there is no sign, that means the value is positive. 3, before 3 also there is no sign, that means it is also positive. That means 2 by 3, these both are positive, that means 2 by 3 is a positive rational number. Now next you see here minus 3, here minus 4. So minus if we cancel, the value will become 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 also is a positive rational number. That means if both the values are positive, numerator and denominator values are positive, then the number will become a positive rational number. Or if both are negative, then also it will become a positive rational number. Next point is your negative rational number. Negative rational number means what? Suppose here minus 2 by 3 and here 3 by minus 4. Here you see numerator value is negative and denominator value is positive. That means if in a rational number either numerator is negative or denominator is negative, then the rational number will become a negative rational number. When either its numerator value is negative or denominator value is negative, then the rational number will become a negative rational number. Next point is your standard form of a rational number. Now, what is the standard form? Standard form means what? Suppose 10 by 15. 10 by 15 also is a rational number. Here 2 by 3 also is a rational number. Now you see this 2 by 3, from the rational number you can't reduce it anymore. Can you reduce it? No, you can't reduce it anymore. So that means this 2 by 3 is the standard form. Already standard form it is given. But here you see 10 by 15. 10 by 15, that means what? In 10 by 15, this both the numbers, numerator value and denominator value, we can reduce it. So by 5 if we reduce, here we will get 2, here we will get 3. That means this 2 by 3 is the standard form of 10 by 15. 10 by 15. So this is called the standard form, means the reducing form. And when you are going to reduce the number, one thing you can remember, you see your derivative is there, means what? The numerator number is to cut by 2 and denominator number is to cut by 3. So by same number, if your numerator you are reducing by 2, denominator also you have to reduce by 2. If the numerator you are reducing by 3, then denominator also you have to reduce by 3. So this is called the standard form of a rational number. Now next point, absolute value of a rational number. Absolute value of a rational number. Absolute value of a rational number means what? You see, suppose one rational number is given 2 by 3. Here one rational number is given, both are positive. Next one is given minus 2 by 3, one more rational number. Next is given 2 by minus 3, is given one more rational number. And here is given minus 2 by minus 3. Here 4 rational numbers are given. So we are going to find the absolute value of a rational number. So absolute value means what? When you are going to write any rational number, either it is positive rational number or it is negative rational number. As soon as we are going to write the rational number inside the absolute symbol, when you are going to remove the absolute symbol, all the negative value also will become positive and positive value it will remain in positive. Means what? This symbol is called absolute symbol. This symbol is called absolute symbol. So 2 by 3 is your rational number. So absolute of 2 by 3, that means its value will become 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Positive is there, it will remain positive. Now next, minus 2 by 3, that means it is a negative rational number. So when you write inside the absolute symbol, its value also become positive. That means 2 by 3 will come. And next, here 2 by minus 3, that means when you write inside the absolute symbol 2 by minus 3, that means its value will become 2 by 3. 2 by 3, that is positive. And now here this one both are negative, that means when you are going to write inside the absolute symbol, then when you remove the absolute symbol, that means it will come out 2 by 3. Means what? Inside the absolute symbol, either the rational number is positive or negative, no matter. When you are going to remove the absolute symbol, all the result will come out positive. Either it is negative rational number or negative integer, whatever may be. Inside the absolute number, inside the absolute sign, the rational number is either positive or negative, no matter. When you are going to remove the absolute symbol, your result will become positive. Always your result will become positive. If it is negative also, then also it will become positive. If it is positive, then also it will become positive. Next point, equivalent rational number. So when you are going to find out the equivalent rational number, first you have to see the whatever the rational number is given, that rational number is given in standard form or not. If your rational number is given in standard form, suppose one rational number is given 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, one rational number, you are going to find out its 3 more equivalent rational number. So how will you find? So 2 by 3, you see, 2 by 3 rational number, and this rational number is a standard form. So since it is a standard form, so how will you find out? So 2 by 3, that means 2 into 2, 3 into 2. The next 2 by 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3. Next 2 by 3, that means 2 into 4, 3 into 4. That means here 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 2 4 is 8, and 3 4 is 12. Then you see here this 4 by 6, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, then 8 by 12, 8 by 12. These all are rational numbers. These all are rational numbers. When you reduce this one, if you reduce this one, then again you will get 2 by 3. Again you will get, you see, you will cut it, then 2, here 3. Then again you will get 2 by 3. This one also if you reduce it, again you will get 2 by 3. This one also if you again you will reduce, then you will get 2 by 3. That means these all are, this 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12. These all are the equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. 2 by 3. But this one how I'm doing? By multiplying I'm finding all the rational numbers. But if your rational number is given in is not given in the standard form. For example, suppose 10 by 15 is given one rational number. 10 by 15 is given one rational number, and you are going to find out its 3 more equivalent rational number. 3 more equivalent rational number. So your question is given 10 by 15. So if you reduce it, then you will get here 2, here 3. That means you can write 2 by 3. Then you can write already 10 is given. Then you can write here 2 by 3. Then 4. No. 3 more. Then here 20 by 30 also you can write 20 by 30. Why you can write 20 by 30? If you reduce it again, you will get 10 by 3. Then by 2 by 3, 45. So like this also you can find out equivalent rational number. Now you see in your book page number, the page number 12. First exercise 1.1. First question it is given, which of the following are rational numbers? So you are going to identify which one is rational number. It's very too easy to identify because first question is given. If you open your book, you will get first question is given 0 by 1. 0 by 1. So according to the definition of a rational number, if numerator 0 also no problem, but denominator should not be 0. So here numerator value is 1, that means it is a rational number. Next question it is given 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means your denominator value is 0. So that means it is not a rational number. Next one is minus 4 by minus 5. 5 minus 5, that means it is a rational number. Next question is given 0 by minus 10. It is a rational number. The next one it is given 2. If only single number is given. If single number is given, that means you will understand that its denominator value is always 1. Single number, suppose 4, only 4, nothing is given. That means you will understand that is 4 by 1. 4 by 1, it's not 0. That means it is a rational number. So like this way you can solve question number 1. Then you see question number 2. Question number 2 means what? Find 3 rational numbers equivalent to each of the following rational numbers. So you are going to find 3 rational numbers. First one it is given 2 by 5. So 2 by 5, that rational number it is given in the standard form. It is given in the standard form. So that means simply you multiply like this way. 2 by 5 means how you write here 2 by 5. That means 2, here you write 5, 5 2s are here you write 10, then here 5, 5, then 5 3s are 15, 15, then here 5, that means here 5, 5 4s are 20. So 3 rational numbers what you will get? First one will get 4 by 10, next one 6 by 15, and next one 8 by 20, like this way. And the next question it is not given in the standard form. So you will find out its standard form, and after that you find out its equivalent rational numbers. Now question number 3. Question number 3 means what you see? Write each of the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. Positive denominator and represent the rational numbers on number line. Represent the rational numbers on number line. So first you have to see the questions. Question number 1 and 2, it was very easy question. That's why I am not solving. Now I am just showing you question number 3. Question number 3, you see according to your question, first question it is given 3a 4 by minus 5. 4 by minus 5. You see, write each of the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. Positive denominator, here numerator value is 4 and denominator value is minus 5. But according to question, you have to make the positive denominator. So positive denominator when you make, how can you make? So that means you will write 4 by minus 5. That means with minus 1 both numerator and denominator you will multiply. That means what? That means 4 into minus 1 and minus 5 into minus 1. That means here minus 4 and minus into minus plus, that means plus 5. Now you see your denominator value is coming what? Positive. Denominator value is coming what? Positive. Now these things you are going to draw it on number line. So how to draw? Number line means already you know from class 7 onwards, number line means first you draw a straight line, then here straight line, then here 0, this side positive values 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way. Then this side what do you draw? Here 5. That means here suppose up to here 1, here 1, here 2, then up to here 5. Then how many parts? 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So here up to here is your minus 1, then minus 2. That means here, you see here 0, 0 to here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Why 5 parts? Because denominator is 5. So 5 equal parts you have to take. Now you see if this value is 4 by minus 5, then the diagram you will draw in this side. Why? Because we know the rational number, in number line, right side values is positive and left side values is negative. Or if we draw it in vertically, then upside value is positive and downside value is negative. So since the values, numerator value is negative, so first here denominator value is 5. So then we make it 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point, this is your, that means this value is your minus 4 by 5. Finish. Like this way you will draw on the number line. Clear all of you? So number line means what? First your whatever the questions is given. Whatever the questions is given, that question according to your question it is given, that means what? The denominator you have to make it positive first. So if it is positive values are given, no problem. If positive is not given, then with minus 1 both the numerator and denominator multiply and try to make it positive. Then you see according to question you will try to draw it and try to draw it on the number line. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 means what? Express minus 7 by 9 as a rational number with numerator minus 28. Here you see these questions. These questions means what? Minus 28. So your rational number is given minus 7 by 9. Then minus 7 by 9 is given. So you have to make the rational number, one more rational number with numerator. How much you will make? Numerator will make minus 28. So with minus 7, by what number you will multiply? Then you will get minus 7. By how much you will multiply? Means by 4 you will multiply. 7 4 ja 28. Here also 9 into 4 will multiply 36. So this is your new rational number. Okay, that's all for from this chapter. Today up to this much. Exercise 1.1. Next day I'll show you the next exercise.
Stay home, stay safe. Do it for self. Do it for your family. Do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.